Understanding in the firing line. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, in the firing line. This expression is rich in meaning and used in various contexts. Stick around as we explore its origins, meanings, and how to use it in everyday conversations. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. In the firing line refers to being in a position where one is directly exposed to criticism, danger, or any form of attack. Originally, this phrase was used literally to describe soldiers positioned where enemy fire was most likely to hit. However, its usage has evolved over time to encompass metaphorical situations where an individual faces direct criticism or is in a vulnerable position where they are likely to be targeted for blame or negative consequences. The term, in the firing line, has its roots in military terminology. It dates back to times when battles were fought in open fields, and soldiers stood in lines to fight the enemy. Being in the firing line meant you were at the forefront of the battle, directly facing enemy fire. This literal meaning has given way to the figurative usage we see today, emphasizing the risk and exposure to direct confrontation or criticism. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use in the firing line in everyday language. 1. In the workplace. After the project failed, the project manager was in the firing line for criticism during the review meeting. 2. In politics. The minister was in the firing line after the policy she advocated for led to widespread protests. 3. In personal relationships. When the secret came out, I was in the firing line from both friends and family. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various scenarios where someone is subject to direct criticism or accountability. To use in the firing line correctly, it's important to understand the context. This phrase is best suited for situations where someone is likely to face direct criticism, blame, or any form of negative repercussion. It's a powerful expression that conveys the seriousness of the position someone is in, so use it to highlight situations of vulnerability or direct exposure to negative outcomes. In the firing line is a vivid phrase that brings to life the idea of being directly exposed to criticism or danger. We hope this video has shed light on its meanings, origins, and uses. Remember, learning such expressions can greatly enrich your English vocabulary and help you express complex ideas more effectively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay curious and keep learning.